Happy April Fool's Day, everybody, from the Garden Center at the Bruce Company. It is a beautiful, dry, and sunny day, although it is a little bit chillier than we would like, but we have to remember that it's only April. Even though spring has officially started, I think it's going to be a while before we see extended, really nice weather. So I will say, though, that now it's the 1st of April. You can start almost everything you want to from seed packets for your indoor seeds. And as your garden outside starts to dry up and things start to thaw, you can certainly start thinking about sowing things directly outdoors. Certainly cool weather flowers like poppies, for instance, would be really good. You could also start thinking about putting in maybe spinach and start thinking about radishes and peas, vegetables that like the cool weather. If you have any vegetables that are already started and we have a nice day where the temperature is milder than today's, like 37 degrees, but mild and sunny, put those flats outside, put those seedlings outside in a morning sun location or a little bit of shady location and get them acclimated to the weather. They will enjoy being outside, and the little bit of a breeze over the tops of them will help them to develop a little bit of strength and oomph in their stems. We've had a lot of calls lately about rabbits and about what to do with things that are already outside when we have the cool night temps that are still being forecasted for at least the next 5 to 10 days. So let's take the rabbit issue first. I, for rabbits, personally like this. This is called Shake Away. It is freeze-dried granulated predator urine, and it was really effective in my yard, keeping my hostas really beautiful for the garden tour that didn't happen till July. And you can just sprinkle this out. If we have weather where there's some rain, you're probably going to have to reapply. You might want to get enough so that you can reapply, say, every 7 to 10 days anyway, until the pressure is off. And that means that there are lots of things all over the place that the rabbits can eat, so they'll be less likely to be fixated on your garden and stay there. And now, as far as controlling the weather, we know we can't do that. And if you've succumbed to pansy frenzy and have put some pansies outside in pots or out in your garden, and we're going to get some cool nights, pansies can tolerate, the plants can tolerate pretty cold temperature, but the flowers will be damaged if it gets below freezing. This is called a floating row cover, and this is a really big 10 by 12 foot piece of like polyspun material. It's really lightweight, and you can just cut this and drape it over your pots, or you can spread the whole thing out over any tender things that you have coming up that you're worried that the cool night temperatures are going to damage. Remember, when we have the warmer days and plants get moved far along, those cold nights will potentially cause more damage, and we'll keep you apprised and on top of that situation as it develops. Right now, if you've got some perennials or some bulbs popping up, they'll probably be fine. Mother Nature is used to this kind of nonsense. Now, I don't know if maybe the snow yesterday was March going out like a lion, or maybe an early April Fool's Day, but we're all starved for some color. And this weekend, while supplies last, we have these beautiful Gerbera Daisies. This is a 6-inch pot. The regular price is $11.99, but you can save $3. So this would be $8.99. And we've got a number of different colors. They're super cheerful. They do like bright light. And if you want to keep them developing some flowers, you're going to want to fertilize them. We can help you with that. So pop in and pick up a couple of gerbs while we've got them. And happy spring from all of us here at the Bruce Company.